Hey guys, it's Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates, and today is decorating day, and I have one of my assistants with me, guys. This is Kayla. She is so excited to decorate today, probably more than I am, because this client style is very French country cottage. We are going to do a bedroom makeover and a few other things, so stay tuned. If I had to describe the style of this client, I would say she was French country with a little mix of shabby chic. Very soft palette, beautiful colors, newly built home. So we kind of had a pretty blank palette. Now, the biggest design area we focused on first was her master bedroom. And I'm gonna save that for last because we absolutely loved it. The other areas we focused on were her entryway, a few things in her living room, and then just a few little things in her master bathroom. Okay, quick preview. Look at this absolutely beautiful set of front doors. I'm loving it. It is so hot. It is so humid. Best I'm gonna look all day. I'm gonna be a hot mess in a couple hours, but we are completely excited to do this job. The first thing we decorated when we got there was her entryway. She had a wall. When you first walk in, it was to the right, and most entryways have this. It's a great spot to either put a console or a closed cabinet. She had the room to put a closed cabinet. I found one that was kind of a chippy white, went with the shabby chic look. It was a little bit taller, and it was closed, which is great for storage. Then I put a mirror on top and a beautiful lamp, and then one of my custom florals. So the next area in the entryway that I focused on was the huge stairwell landing area, just a huge wall. And that's kind of a difficult area to decide, how do you want to decorate that? You could do a collage of family pictures, but because her palette was so neutral, I chose these black and white prints that kind of looked like charcoal sketches. They were 38 by 38, very large, and I had them hung one on top of the other. It really filled in that area, and I thought it turned out wonderful. So the next area was in her eat-in kitchen. Already beautiful, didn't really need a lot. I just added a table runner and then another custom floral that I made, kind of in a very long black dough bowl with a bunch of hydrangeas. I made a quick and easy video on how you can duplicate this floral. I like adding table runners on tables because it seems to break up the wood from what the decor is you place on top, and really just kind of softens the look. The next thing we worked on was we put a sweet little valance in her guest bathroom. I'm going to show you a close-up of that. It was such a beautiful embroidered fabric. In her master bathroom, we just put a white linen valance above her tub and just hung two little sweet pictures, and that's all we did in there. the living room, we really didn't do a lot. We put some wall decor up. We added an end table with a lamp and then did a few accessories on the bookshelves. This client has 2 children under the age of 3, so we did not need to complicate the issue in the living room. I love decorating with mirrors. I'm pretty particular about where I'm going to place them because I always want them to reflect something beautiful. Sometimes you can put a mirror above a mantle, but if you only have a ceiling fan, I don't really think that's a beautiful reflection to see all the time. I like to either use one large mirror, or I like to choose 3 mirrors to hang together, and particularly 3 mirrors that have some character. These are wood mirrors with arch at the top. And so what we did when we hung them, the middle mirror is hung a little bit higher than the other 2, and it creates an arch in and of itself. Okay, now for my very favorite part of this design is her master bedroom. I'm going to show you a before and after, and then I'm going to chat about what I did in this room. For the design of this master bedroom, it was neutral colors, but it was more about texture than it was about color. For the master bed, all of the linens were kept in neutral colors. I loved the ruffle on the duvet, the ruffle on the shams, and the mohair pillow in front, again, added a lot more texture to the whole bed. I think, besides the bed, my other favorite part of this room was the drapery panels. They were a lovely toile. And as I was thinking through the design of this room, I thought, I do not want a large drapery rod going all the way across the top of the window. I felt like it would take away from the look. What I did was I ordered some gold drapery tiebacks, and I did a paint finish on them, made them look distressed. I have made a video on how we did this. It will be in the description below. But not having that rod all the way across, and I felt like those drapery tiebacks, once they were finished, really had a unique shabby chic look and really just played off the whole look in the room. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you found some inspiration that you can apply in your own home. I usually get a lot of questions from you guys about the drapes or the bedding. If there's something you see in this video that maybe you would like to purchase, or maybe you need some drapes in a specific size for your room, I'm going to leave my email in the description, and you can just email me directly and I'll be more than happy to help you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because we're gonna have more videos out later, and be sure you hit that bell because when you hit that bell, it lets you know when I have a new video out. Have a great day. Hey guys, it's Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates, and today is decorating today.
We can try it one more time.
Okay.